In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your YouTube subscriptions list on mobile and PC. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's start with the mobile, and first off we need to open up YouTube app and then sign into our YouTube account. Once it is done, down below here you will find subscriptions button. We can tap at this button, and here it is showing us all the content from our subscriptions. We can scroll down to check these videos, and at the top of this page we can find some of subscriptions here. To get the full list of subscriptions, we need to hit right here where it says all. Now we can check all of our subscriptions in this list, and then if we wanna, let's say, unsubscribe from someone, we can easily do so just by pressing at that button, and then here we can tap at unsubscribe to unsubscribe from a particular user. On the computer, first off, in the same way, we need to head over to youtube.com, sign into our YouTube account, and once it is done, right here at the left sidebar menu, we can easily find subscriptions. If we click right here, it will show us recent content from our subscriptions. However, if we scroll down that left menu, here we can find our subscriptions list, and if we would like to see more, we can click at more, and it will show us additional subscriptions here, and also we can then click at all subscriptions to go to that interface where we can check them. We can then click at any channel to go to that channel's page to watch their videos, and in the same way, if we wanna unsubscribe from someone, we can easily do so as well just by clicking right here and selecting unsubscribe. Then to continue, just confirm it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.